Hello, Mrs. Coryell's class.
Hello.
Yeah, good job. Today we just finished notes on 1.1, Chapter 1, Lesson 1, multiplying integers. Can you guys multiply integers, yes or no?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, we had some vocab words class. The first vocab word of 5th grade was integer. An integer is a whole number and what?
It's opposite.
Okay, everyone should be answering. I didn't see everyone's mouths move, so I'm going to do that again. An integer is a whole number and it's?
Opposite.
I like that much better. Okay, so the answer to a multiplication problem is called a what? It's called a product. This is pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
All you got to do is answer my questions. All right, multiplication is simply repeated. Super. All right, guys. We have a little problem down here. 2 times 3 equals 6, right?
Yeah.
What is the 6 called in this number sentence?
A product.
It's like the answer, right?
Yeah.
So if the 6 is the product, what are the 2 and the 3?
Factors.
So the factors are the numbers we're multiplying, right?
Yes.
There's a number that we use for a place value holder. What is that number?
0.
Is it always 0?
Yes.
Take a look at this problem. We did 26 times 7. So our original problem was 26 times 7, right?
Yes.
What is this number called? Well, it's a 7, but it's our multiplier, right? Because it's going to multiply that number, and it's going to multiply that number, right?
Yes.
Now, when we multiplied 7 times 6, we got 42. We put the 2 down, and we carried the 4, right?
Yes.
What is that 4 called?
Carry number.
It's a carrying number, right? So then we went ahead and solved the problem, and then we always do what when we solve math problems? We always box our answers, okay? Question. What if you have a multiplication problem that is written horizontally going across your paper? What do you have to do with that problem?
Rewrite it.
It's a rewrite, right?
Yes.
And we rewrite it so that we can solve it and show our work, yes?
Yes.
Finish this sentence. Mr. Pottinger and all of you don't really care about the answer. We care about the
Work.
We care about the work.